Okay, thanks for joining me. Just a really short video to show how clean that Kleaneasy carpet and floor cleaning can get your carpets and floors. This particular house was 4,000 square feet. About 2,000 square feet of it was carpet, and most of the carpet looked just like this. This was an elderly couple. They were wanting to downsize from their 4,000 square foot home down to a much smaller home that was more manageable for them. And they were afraid that they couldn't sell the home because of the staining that was all throughout the carpet and had been there literally for years. We assured them that we could pretty much make the carpets all through the house look virtually brand new, and you see the end result here. So when you are feeling that your carpets are beyond hope, give us a call at 256-886-9100 or send us a text to 256-886-9100, and let's talk about your situation.